I might not be Sam I am, but I like green eggs and ham. This is the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, hitting you today, this afternoon, April 18th, 2022, with this GRINCH Bucks. Yeah, you heard me right, GRINCH Bucks. I love me some ham. I love me some green eggs. Now I'm ready for it because it's up to 8% a day. Let's do this. Let's do this. So, hey, it's a GRINCH Bucks is a new ROI dapp on the BSC Binance Smart Chain network, earning everyone that gets in up to 8% a day. Up to 8% a day. The developer that put this out was the same developer that put out DRIPfi. For you drippers out there on the Drip network, he came up with that DRIPfi dapp that we so love and enjoy. Hey, so GRINCH Bucks up to 8% a day. All you gotta do is get some BNB in your wallet, put it right here in the middle, and click buy hams. And once you type it in, click buy hams, your hams will show up over here, and every day your eggs and BNB will accumulate over here. Same thing as baked beans. Same thing. Same ratio. 6 days compound, 1 day claim. 6 days compound, 1 day claim, and just do that for as long as this contract will last. So hey, this is Baby Grinch's baby. So hey, so he's been put into the fire now. So if they said if he's successful on this, then they'll bring him into the fold. So, you know, shout out to Bartertown, shout out to Forex Shark, shout out to the boys over there in the Bartertown conglomerate. So, hey, so this thing has been going, that people been talking about this in the Telegram this afternoon, from before launch to even now. They're still chatting about it in the Telegram. I've seen YouTube videos on this thing. So, hey, this thing is hot off the press. Come get you some green eggs and some ham for up to 8% a day. I will put the referral link. My referral link will be in the description. So go ahead and look down in the description box below for the referral link and come on and get you some green eggs and ham on this GRINCH Bucks ROI dapp. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future upcoming videos. Peace.